Welcome to another fragrance haul from the House of Halaj. Now, all these fragrances were purchased from the website Beauty House. So I got 5 that came in today, and we're gonna have a first impression, unboxing, and then I will come back later on and do a review on them and tell you, are they worth getting or should you stay clear of them? Now, granted, 2 of these are 20 bucks. I figured I can't go wrong with those, and the other ones was like $39. So the fragrance we're gonna go over is Bawaz Solid Gray, Bawaz Pure Navy. From the Collage 25 collection, we have Experience, we have Integrity, and we have Heritage. So if you think you're gonna find this interesting, stick around. Now, I'm really excited about these fragrances because for some reason I think blind buying fragrances is kind of like a high to me. I wanna say not really a habit, but more of a addiction. The first one we're gonna go over is Heritage. It's something about just sitting back, looking at the notes that you think you're gonna enjoy and waiting for it to come in. You get it in the mail and you like, wow, it's really great, or you're really disappointed. But to be honest with you, over close to 400 fragrances that I own, I've only been disappointed like 2, maybe 3 times. And one of them was from Victor and Rolf, but it wasn't the Spice Bomb series, it was way before then. But anyway, I'm not gonna talk about that. We're gonna go over, first one we're gonna do is Heritage. Now it's coming in as nice box, nice presentation. Now let's figure out how, oh, you open it from there. It has this nice little paper. Oh, these bottles are very nice. Almost look like it's ceramic, kind of a dark brownish color, that's a nice color. I ordered 3 from the Collage 25 series, and I think all of these gonna be masculine by looking at the notes. I'm not quite sure, but this is first impression on all of them. The cap, I don't know if, it might be metal, it might be aluminum. Nice cap, heavy bottle. Something about these collages, no matter whether they're brand new or old, when you first spray them, they all will just pump out spray. Most times you get new fragrances, you have to pump like 2 or 3 times before the spray come out. But every one of these, that's nice. But every one of these I ordered from Collage, they just spray right away. But man, this is very, very, very sexy. Almost like a sweetness, some medicinal notes. Spicy. This is sexy as, can't say that word on YouTube, but this is sexy. Spicy, medicinal, sweet. Got a touch of creaminess. First impression, this is awesome. For 40 bucks, man, under 40 bucks. This is awesome. I like that, but of course, we gotta wear it on our skin and see how it reacts. So first impression, this is very nice. From initial impressions, this is definitely a 9, but we'll see how it goes after I wear it on my skin. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight. I'm supposed to be going out on a date, but I think I'm gonna wear this tonight, see what the reaction. This is gonna be the first one I wear. For dressed up occasions, this could be a date night scent. I see it all seasons probably. Yeah, I think you can wear this all seasons. The next one we're gonna go over is Integrity. Now this is like a navy color box. Got the silver, little plaque on there. Presentation is about the same stuff. The box is different colors. Same paper sleeve. These bottles are gorgeous. I'm a sucker for presentation. But that ain't what you want to hear. You want to see how they smell. Let's see what we get. This is definitely fruity, spicy, kind of like a blue scent, but sophisticated. Spicy, blue, fruity. You might have some florals. This is a nice blue scent. Kind of got some powderiness to it. This is also unisex. Kind of got like a bubblegum feel to it. This is sexy. So another winner, that's Integrity. Okay, the next one we're gonna do is Experience. So far, 2 out of 3. Let's see if it's a 3 out of 3. I hope so. What you guys think about blind buying fragrances? Do you enjoy it? Is it a high for you? Kind of like an addiction? Leave it in the comments below what you think. Now this is black, got like a dark metal on it. This is Experience. Same presentation. Now all of them do have writing on them, but I'm not gonna read that for you, but it has writing on them, so. This is like a satin color black. Looks sexy. Okay, what we get on this? Silver top. All of them are silver tops except for, all of them have silver tops except for Heritage. It has like a gold top on it. Now this is definitely a masculine scent. Fresh, got a cleanness about it, a soapiness, has some spiciness, a little touch of sweetness, maybe getting hints of leather. This is good also. This is more like a date night scent. This could be a signature scent here. Okay, it becoming a little bit more herbal. I think this is the most masculine out of the group, but at the same time, it has some freshness, some cleanness about it, kind of herbal. Have a touch of sweetness and maybe a little leather in the background. That's really good. So from first impression, my favorite so far is Heritage, followed by Experience. And then we have Integrity coming in at last, but none of these are bad scents. I give them all at least an 8.5 as far as rating, but those are my favorite from first impression. So what I'm gonna do, 5 seconds for you, a couple of days for me. I'm gonna wear these out. I'm gonna wear Heritage tonight, get a first impression because I think this is the best one. And the rest of them, give me a couple of days, I'll wear them out and I'll tell you exactly what I get. Now, as far as these two, it's gonna be another first impression, but I don't wanna mix the line up, and we're gonna do the same thing as far as go over them, first impression, smell them, wear them out. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what these $20 fragrances smell like. But I'll see you in 5 seconds. Be right back. All right, guys, I finally got a chance to test these fragrances, and this is gonna be one of the most controversial, contradicted fragrance review of the House of Halaj. And the reason I say that, you're gonna have to kind of stick with me. Now, my least favorite are Integrity and Experience. Now, don't get me wrong, I would give both of these fragrances, even after wearing them, at least about 8.5. So if you look for fragrances that you can walk up to people and they just tell you how great you smell, these are it. But my only problem with it are they are too safe for me. 90% of the people gonna like these fragrances, but there's nothing special about them. They're too safe. Smell really good. Don't get me wrong, they smell really good. Like with Integrity, you get grapefruit, you're gonna get some citrus up top, but what makes it a little different, you get some resins. Then in the hearts, you get lavender, makes it sort of manly. It's still a unisex fragrance, but it leans a little bit more masculine. Then in the base, you're gonna get some woods with vanilla coming up, bringing some sweetness, making this fragrance fresh, citrusy, woody, and spicy. A nice fragrance. You want some compliments, try it out. Now with the Experience, you're gonna get some citrus notes up top, you get some spices from some cardamom. The composition is a little different, so it's kind of a different take on fresh, clean scents. Then cedar comes up in the heart, some cashmere and wood comes up in the base, making this also spicy, citrus, woody, and a light touch of greenness. Very nice scent. Like I said, No one gonna walk up to you and tell you this smell bad. They all gonna give you compliments on it, but it's just too safe. Now, my favorite from the line, if you're looking for the type of compliment where somebody come up to you, grab you by the shirt, make it wrinkle, slap you in the face a couple of times, whisper in your ear and say, "You smell sexy as AF," this is the one you need to get, and that is Heritage. Now, my lady said she liked the previous two better than this, so they just give you different perspectives on it. I like this better because it's more of a niche type fragrance, and this gonna get you more of the "you smell sexy" type compliments instead of "you smell so good" type compliment. So this is my favorite, but as far as mass appealing, it's probably be the least favorite among peers. But at the top, you get spices. You're getting that cypriol that making it like a smoky green note. Then in the base, it's left lonely with woods. This is spicy, woody, almost herbal, and a slight touch of green. Very manly scent. At first, I thought it was a unisex fragrance, but it's actually, in my opinion, a masculine fragrance. But the first two were unisex. I think this is a masculine fragrance. If you want to watch more from Collards, check out this video, or you just want to subscribe, click here. Everybody stay safe. I will see you soon. Peace.